Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LinkedIn Learning Certificates to PDF, quick tutorial step by step. Open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn Learning. Log in to your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Learning tab at the top of the page. Find the course for which you want to download the certificate. You can do this by scrolling through your completed courses or using the search bar. Click on the course title to open the course details. On the course page, look for the View Certificate button. Click on the View Certificate button. A new window will open displaying your certificate. Review the certificate to ensure all information is correct. To download it as a PDF, look for the download icon or download certificate link. Click on the download option. Your browser will prompt you to save the PDF file. Choose a location on your computer to save the certificate. Click Save to download it. Your LinkedIn Learning Certificate is now saved as a PDF. You can now access it anytime from the location you saved it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.